Hi there, I want to welcome you to Cooking Cronies. I'm Vicki Marie, and I'm going to show you how to make some peanut butter cookies from scratch today. I gathered my ingredients. I have 1 cup of butter, and so it's 2 sticks of, and they're softened. I did soften them in the microwave slightly, so they are a little bit softened. I have 1 cup of smooth peanut butter, even though the recipe calls for crunchy peanut butter. I'm just using smooth. I have 1 cup, or over here, 1 cup of white sugar, and I've also in the same bowl combined 1 cup of brown sugar. So all my sugars are in that bowl. I have 2 large eggs that I have already cracked and put them in my little bowl here. 2½ cups of all-purpose flour. And in here I have 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt, and 1/2 teaspoon baking soda. And I just kind of mixed them up in the same little jar there. And that's all the ingredients I'm going to need for this recipe. All right, next I'm just going to take my butter, my peanut butter, and the sugars, and I'm going to put them in my bowl, and I'm going to cream that all together, and then I'll beat in the 2 eggs. And I just gradually increased the speed of my mixer here and finally got this going. It's nice and smooth. I have not added my eggs yet, but now I'm going to go ahead and use my spatula here to scoop down the sides, and then I'll turn this back on and add the eggs. Now I'm just going to go ahead and add the flour. Now this has, like I said, the flour, the salt, the baking powder, baking soda, all of it is in this one measuring cup. I'm going to slowly add that to my mixture now. I'm just going to go down the sides again with my spatula, turn the mixer back on for a few more minutes, just maybe a couple, but this is pretty much, this is almost done. And I know it's ready because the sides are almost clean. You can see how the batter just sort of stuck into like a ball of dough. And the sides are very clean, except for just a few pieces here at the top, but I'm gonna scoot those back down. And now I'm gonna just take this off my stand, and I'm gonna take the dough and I'm gonna put it in here and cover it with a little bit of saran wrap. I'm going to stick it in the refrigerator for 1 hour and let the dough set. And then after that, I'll get it back out and we'll go ahead and bake it. It's been 1 hour, and I'm going to go ahead and take my dough and form it into 1-inch balls. Now I have used parchment paper, and I'm going to use a total of 4 parchment papers, and I'm going to put about a dozen cookies on each one. And the parchment papers are exactly the size of my cookie sheet. So once I get all of my 1-inch cookie balls positioned on the parchment paper, and I'm going to do this next step, which is using my fork to make crisscross patterns in each of the cookie balls after sprinkling just a little bit of white sugar on top of each one. I'm going to slide my cookie sheet right under the parchment paper and stick them in the oven one by one. I'm going to bake them at 375 degrees for 10 minutes. So the cookies were really good, and I hope you'll give them a try. Let us know what you think. And thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, click that notification bell, and come back and see us next week. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.